Question number 29 बच्चों. In an examination 10% of students failed in math. Let me take there is a circle of math and the 10% student just not get through the paper. After that 20% failed in English also. Let me take English folder there, and 20% failed in that particular subject. 5% in both. Let me take this 5% in both. We know that this is a set theory in the percentage. For that particular thing I told you that if you want to find the fail percentage, that will be equal to x plus y minus both. Or you want to find pass percentage, just opposite to failed, that will be equal to 100 minus x plus y minus both percentage, right? This will be equal to 100% minus x plus y is 10 and 20, that will be 30, minus both is equal to 5. That means finally it will comes out to be this is 35 and it will be 65%, right? This is 30 and minus 5, this is 25, and this will become 75%, or the option number first.